Hello students, we are back with the inventory turnover ratio. In the first video I told you about what is inventory turnover ratio. Now in this video I will tell you the two important things of the inventory turnover ratio. दो चीज़ें ऐसी हैं inventory turnover ratio की जो बहुत ही ध्यान में रखनी है. Every time it is not that कि opening inventory and closing inventory is given. There are many times you have to find out the things. So the important question, see question number 74, in which 2 lakh is the cost of revenue from operation means cost of goods sold is given. If inventory turnover is 8 times, the answer is given. The inventory turnover ratio is 8 times. Calculate the inventories at the end of the year. Inventories at the end is 1.5 times that of the beginning. So in this we have to calculate the opening inventory and the closing inventory. So what we will do, we are given the two things, that is inventory turnover ratio. Cost of goods sold is given. Cost of goods sold is given 2 lakh. Fine. We are given the answer, that is 8 times. So cost of goods sold divided by the inventory turnover ratio, that is 8 times, we get the average stock, that is 25,000. So we are getting the average stock. What is average stock? Average stock is opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Now in this we have to find out the opening stock and closing stock. Hint is given to us that inventories at the end means that closing stock is 1.5 times that of the beginning. So in this we will assume the things now. It is said that 1.5 times that of the beginning. So if we take the example that let opening stock means the inventory at the beginning be X, and it is said that closing stock is 1.5 times of the beginning. So of the beginning means X. So the closing stock becomes 1.5X. Again, listen to it very carefully. This is very important thing. Inventories at the end is 1.5 times that of the beginning. It is given about the closing stock. So we assume that the opening stock is X and closing stock is 1.5X. Now we put the formula, average stock is equal to opening plus closing divided by 2. See, opening stock is X, we assume that closing stock is 1.5X and divided by 2. Average stock, which we have already calculated, that is 25,000. Putting the formula, 25,000 is equal to X plus 1.5X, that is by mistake 2 times X is written. We will only include the 1X, not the 2X. So X plus 1.5X, that is 2.5X. So while doing the calculation you will be able to find the value of the X. Again I am telling you, here it is X is written twice by mistake. You have to consider it only one time, that is X plus 1.5X. Okay, so we will calculate the things, and after calculation you will find out the value of X, that is 50,000 divided by 2.5, 20,000. This is what your opening stock. This is what your opening stock. And closing stock is 1.5X. So 1.5 multiplied by 20,000, that comes out to be 30,000. Like this, we will be able to find out the value of the closing stock and the opening stock. Now coming on to the next question. That is also important question. Question number 83. Inventory turnover ratio is 5 times. Cost of revenue from operations is 18,90,000. Calculate the opening and closing inventory. If inventory at the end is 2.5 times more than that of the beginning. See the difference. In the last question, it was only 1.5 times that of the beginning. Here in this question, 2.5 times more than that of the beginning. So what is the difference in that? We'll come on to the solution. Again the same thing. You have given the inventory turnover ratio. You have been given the inventory turnover ratio 5 times. Cost of goods sold given 18,90,000. Putting up the formula, you will be able to find out the average stock. So average stock is 3,78,000. Now you have got the average stock. From the average stock, you will find out the opening and the closing inventory. Again, assuming the same thing, that the opening entry will be X, because we have to assume the things from the inventory at the beginning. So opening inventory will be X, and inventory at the end is 2.5 times more than that of the beginning. If opening entry is X, closing inventory is 2.5x, and whenever the figure more is given, means it is more than that of the beginning. So we assume that X plus X means more, plus 2.5x. Closing opening inventory is X, closing inventory is 2.5x, and wherever the figure more is given, more का मतलब ये है कि उससे ज़्यादा है, उससे ज़्यादा है मतलब same with the same amount. So that's why we write 2 times x over here. X plus 2.5x. Whenever the figure more is given, we always assume that it is more than the entry in the beginning, and more means that you have to assume the same figure of the opening inventory, same figure again. So x, 1x of the opening entry, another x for more, plus 2.5x, that is the closing inventory. Closing inventory. Now we will put all the formulas and find out the answer. See, opening entry x, closing entry 2.5x, and उससे पहले हमने एक और x लिया because that is more. We'll calculate all this thing. With the calculation, you will be able to find out the x. So x, you will find out 1,68,000 is your x as the opening inventory. Closing is x plus 2.5x. 2.5x closing inventory, we assumed it. Why x? Because it is more than the beginning, and beginning we assume that x. ठीक है, बिगनिंग को हमने x एज्यूम किया था, उसने बोला था x से भी ज्यादा है. सो इस करके क्लोजिंग का फॉर्मूला है x प्लस 2.5x. x अभी आपने निकाला 1,68,000 प्लस 2.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1,68,000. बाय कंक्लूडिंग दिस, बाय प्लस माइनस प्लस करने के बाद, यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर ऑफ द क्लोजिंग इन्वेंट्री, दैट इज 5,88,000. So make the things clear that whenever the word more is given, the more means it is more than the, whenever the word more is given, the more means that it is more than the opening inventory. So what is opening? That is x. So closing means x plus 2.5x. So these were the two important things in the turnover ratio. अगर आपको ये दोनों चीजें क्लियर हो जाती हैं, यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द मोर सम्स ऑफ द क्रेडिटर्स टर्नओवर रेशियो एंड डेटर्स टर्नओवर रेशियो ऑल्सो. These are the two important things in the inventory turnover ratio, where we have to take care about whether the more is given or not. So 1.5x in the first question, it was 1.5 in the beginning, we took 1.5x. In the second question, it was more than the 2.5 more than in the beginning, so we concluded as x plus 2.5x. So you should be clear about these two things. You should be clear about these two things which I have told you, because these are the very important things of the inventory turnover ratio. Thank you.